Hello, I hope we're okay. I've very much enjoyed learning that B Jam Jam has become a regular viewer of the stream through doing a master's project on Wikipedia, discovering I was doing a stream with the Museum of All Things, brick by brick assembling your wall of postgrad subs. Yeah. I do think getting people while they're doing their masters and before they've hit their post-qualification depression, you've got them hooked while they're in an excitable time in their life, but just as they're about to fall into a 2-year depression, at which point they'll have the Twitch app on their phone, and there we go, they're hooked, they're in. That's the ultimate Fishmas. That's when you really land a lunker. We probably do want about 20% more 23-year-olds in here. I really need to start streaming on like the Valorant tag or something. Where would I pick up 23-year-olds? You're 24, you've got a master's degree, sorry. Whatever chill you possibly had was wrung out of you by the academy. Oh God, that's really bad. Don't put that in the wall phrase. Thank you, Bungle Clungers. You don't need to say you're 25 years old, Bungle Clungers. Your username is Bungle Clungers. The Queen. The Queen. Let me think, because I know you all know it. Let me think. The Queen. Where's the Queen? Where's the Queen? That's where the money is. That's where the politics is. So, by that logic, the Queen will be... Where's the... I'll go in more. Where is the Queen? Where are you? You'd think it'd be big, wouldn't it? Big. Queen. This hurts. You need to... Listen, I don't want to say this because people I don't like. This sounds like it's coming from a place of bad politics, but you need to toughen up. If you can't handle my cursor hovering over central London saying, where's the Queen? Then this stream is going to be too harmful to you. East Africa? Why are you saying Sean to me? Listen, I don't want you to make it sound like you've upset me, but when people say like Sean or oh come on or how could you do that, it's a sign that you don't have the fortitude to play dull with me, you know? Like, you sound like you're in pain. Make sure you take breaks, okay? Sean crashed out one time because I said look when he was in the Wiki Museum. Yes. And I've learned now, I'm completely reframing it. I'm not talking in terms of you learning how not to be rude. I've given up on that. Like it's not going to happen. But I'm now concern trolling. I'm framing it in terms of like, you seem to be suffering. And therefore, if I see you saying those things in the chat, it means you're suffering and you should take a break. Okay. It's Ghent. I've been to Ghent. Never went to the castle, though. Castle of the Counts. I mean, that's probably it. And it's next to this tram stop. So it's probably taken from literally here. I was 3.7 meters away. Look at that. Hang on, how was I that far away? Oh, they took it from a little further back from the street. They actually stepped back a bit to get a better shot.
Hey. Right, can you let me in, pal?
Yes, we want this guy in. This is our friend.
Could have died back there instead of those guys. But they made it pretty clear. I've done enough. Thanks, pal.
Okay, doing that guy's voice. Doing that guy's voice has given me quite severe hiccups. I just tuned in and genuinely forgot this wasn't in-game voice work. Thanks, Op. Have you heard about the Hiccup cure about drinking from the wrong end of the glass? Okay, so here's how you do it. You want to drink from the other side. Let's go from the basics, right? Normally, if you have a glass of water, and this one's big for demonstration purposes, you just put the bottom, the nearest bit of the rim to your mouth like this, right? We're familiar with drinking, I assume, right? You get your receptacle. Mine's a big jar of water, and then you get the bottom rim. You know how to do that much, right? Are we all clear on step one? Okay. But knowing how to do normal drink is crucial to doing this. So now, instead of drinking from the nearest rim, we're gonna try and drink from the furthest rim. Okay, not the nearest, the furthest. So rather than this, we're gonna take our mouth and we're gonna bring it here. Okay. The problem is, here's where it gets hard. How do you get the water into your mouth now? Because it's down here, but your mouth is up here, right? So you're going to have to just curve your body round, right? And just, I'm going to put my leg on the chair so I can bend my body around until some water gets in. And the moment it is, shut your mouth and swallow. All right, anyway.
At least I won't have to die alone in the dirt. Okay.
This is too hard. Blueprints. Come on. This could be a civilization. I should be able to get this, I think. Let's go for Civ 4. Fucking get in! I'm not getting this one. Kingdom Hearts Tarzan level? Funky, that's good. So Tarzan features in Kingdom Hearts 1, right? Should we go for OG Kingdom Hearts? The graphics looks right for it. Kingdom Hearts. The credit for this will go to Funky because I didn't get that on my own. Really good. Really, really good. That's insane. That's insane. I'm thinking Forager. Just because the art style looks right. Get in! Oh, wow. This is so good.